Hello everyone, in this video we will create a dependent drop down in MS Excel. Okay, it means that if we would like to create a dependent drop down, so first of all we will have a drop down for foods here in B1 cell, and in E1 cell we will have dependent drop down on this B1 cell. So let's do it. Okay, so first of all come here to the sheet 2. In the sheet 2 we have these ports. Okay, first of all let's assign name to these ports. To this list from A1 to A3. Select this list and assign a name to this food. These are our foods. Okay, just assign food. After assigning a name to this, now we will assign a name to this B1 to B4 to these. We will assign a name to this pizza because these are pizza types with us. Press enter. See at the top, assign a name. Come here to the C1 to C2. We will assign a name to this pancakes. Pancakes. And come here to the D1 to D3, select this area and assign Chinese to this. Chinese name to this, okay? Chinese. Press enter. So after assigning name to these lists, now let's move to back to sheet 1 and select B1. We would like to create our foods drop down here. So come here to the data tabs and come here to the data tools and select this icon and select data validation. After selecting data validation, so select here the list, and in this source select equal to food. So what it will select? It will select the foods which we assign a name in sheet 2. Press OK. So it will select this food list for us, okay, that we have assigned a name. Just come here to the sheet 1 and let's check it. See, we have pizza, pancakes and Chinese. Now to create a dependent drop down based on this B1 cell and this drop down, so for that what we will do, come here, select in E1 cell and come here again to data validation. After that select a list here and in the source write equal to indirect function. Okay, use indirect function. Inside the parenthesis write $sign B $1. What does this mean? We have specified in the indirect function inside that B1 cell, okay, this one, this drop down. So what it will do, it will just take the reference, it will just take these references which are in sheet 2. Okay, if we select pizza, so it will select the pizza these put for us. If we select sorry, I should remove this. If we select pancake, so it will select this C list. If we select Chinese, so it will select this D1 to D3. So I will remove first of all this. So that is okay. Let's press now OK. So after pressing the OK, we have selected here pizza. So now we should see the pizza types here. See, we have pizza types. But if we change this, let's change it, for example, Chinese. So we should see the Chinese here. If we change this to pancakes, so we will see the pancakes here. So it is how we can create the dependent drop down menu inside MS Excel. I hope you learned the dependent drop down menu inside this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching.